Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to create named ranges of multiple rows and columns very quickly. Also I'm going to discuss about summing the intersection of two or more ranges, rather very effective way of using sum function. In first place, let us understand what is a named range. Named range means giving a name to a cell or a range so that we can use that name in our calculations, or while using formulas we can use the name effectively, so that it's an easy way to use the cell reference instead of using a cell reference of A1 or B1 or A1 to B1, etc. For example, I have a value in Q1 and it's a conversion rate of USD to INR. I want to give a name to this cell as USD. So now instead of Q1 it is now USD. Now in another cell, or rather another sheet, I have $1,000 and I want to convert this value to INR. Now I need not give a reference of sheet 1 Q1, rather I can just simply say USD so that I can do this calculation very quickly. And this name, whatever name I have given, will be stored as a temporary memory in the named manager, and it is appearing. Its name is USD and the value is 72 and it is refers to sheet 1 Q1. So let me delete this named range for the time being so that I can use other named ranges for the purpose of this video. To create names individually for each row and column, like the data available here, is very time taking exercise. For that we need to do a summary way. So for that we have another option called create from selection. Instead of giving a defined name, we can create the name from the selection. So I'm selecting all the rows, and then the names are appearing on the left side of the column. So I wanted to give the same name to the separate row accordingly, whatever name is appearing in the left side column. So select create from selection, and by default the dialog box is appearing wherein the left column is selected. Say OK. Now if I look at my name manager, all the cities are appearing and accordingly the names are created. Now let me select all the columns along with the name, and then go to create from selection. Now my names are in the top row, so say OK. So accordingly my name range for rows are also, columns are also created. Let me do it again. Select name manager, select all the names and just delete it. So my name manager is now empty. I'm selecting all the rows and the name is in the left column, respective name for each row. Create from selection option, and then left column is selected. Say OK. Now if I see my name range, name manager, I can see all the city names, and then I select all the columns along with the name and go to create from selection. My top row is selected now. Say OK. Now my entire table is now properly been named with separate names for each range, so each column and each row. So that way we can create the names for multiple rows and columns very quickly. Now let us use sum function to arrive some specific cell values as a sum. For example, I wanted to sum April and August of Bangalore and Mumbai. So the value is 3489. For that I can do like this, sum, and select April, July of Bangalore and Mumbai. The value will be there. But the same thing can be achieved through another method, that is sum. Now I'm not giving any cell reference, rather I'm just opening the another bracket wherein I say Mumbai, comma, I say Bangalore. So name is already available, so no need to worry. And then give a space, another bracket. Now I'll say April, comma, July. Close, close, enter. The value is appearing in a nice way. Now let us see another example. I wanted to say July. I'll highlight these values, and then say December of Chennai and Bangalore. So rather Chennai and Mumbai. I'm selecting these two values. So I wanted to do the sum of these So basically this is coming 3599. Same thing can be done in a very easy way. Sum, open bracket. Now cities are Mumbai, comma, Chennai, and give a space, then open bracket. Now it is July, comma, December. The value is 3599. So this is an effective way of using sum function for this kind of data. Hope you have understood it. If any questions, you can ask me so that I can answer you. And please practice with this database, and this sheet is the link. I have saved this sheet in a drive, Google Drive, and I have given the link below. Use the same sheet to do the practice so that it will be useful for you. So don't forget to like, share, and of course please subscribe so that as and when I post in a new video, you'll get a notification. Thank you.